They're shiny. They're gold. I think those glittery golden eggs might be more than just a mess. They could be a treasure. You know Willa, our steampunk flavor fairy friend, once mentioned a vault of hidden treasures. Could be those eggs were stolen from there. And guess where I got the big one from? A vault? A vault of treasures, you say? Maybe, just maybe, we'll find that purple peach Bungledorf was talking about. Oh, honey, that right there is what I call cosmic treasure. That peach, it's huge and purplish. There must be something special about it. Chessey, we're setting course to investigate that peach. You keep an eye out for any of those gold eggs. We're on it, Captain. Meet you at the crash site in a bit, guys. Oh, darling, this peach is begging for a closer look. Let's see what kind of mischief we can stir up with it. I'll keep my eyes peeled for any gold eggs while you handle the peach, Glitzabelle. You know how the universe works. Chaos is never too far behind. All right, let's see what we can find on our end. Stay sharp, Glitzabelle. Well, this is a bit of a problem. How in the blazes are we supposed to cross this? Not sure, but I'm not feeling like jumping across it. I'd rather not end up as Space Jam. Great. We're gonna have to figure something out. Let's check in with the others. Glitzabelle, Gennie, what's going on your end? This place is a vibe killer. Dance or don't. She won't go in. Treasure peach or nothing. I physically cannot go any further. This place is horrible for my inner glow. Captain Breadhook, we're blocked by bad fashion. We found the most lackluster dance floor in the universe. The lighting is terrible. The MC's wearing some boring beige outfit, and the whole vibe is a flat out no for me, sugar. We're not going any further. Or don't. All right, we're at the edge of a canyon. We could use some kind of bridge or something to get across. How about we switch routes? Is a flat out no for me, sugar. Or don't. All right, we're at the edge of a canyon. How about we switch routes? Copy that. We'll head your way. You guys turn around and check out the dance floor. It sounds wild. Hey there. Hey guys. Hey Chessey. Hey. Halt! You're in violation of Galactic Dental Code 32B. Unauthorized. Identify yourselves, potential plaque perpetrators.
Oh no! Oh no!
We are the Dentist Police, Cavity Patrol Unit, and this planet is a high-risk zone for tooth decay. That aside, what does the Dentist of the Year get? A little plaque. We're just looking for a giant purple peach. No cavities. Promise. A peach? Full of sugary juices. It's a level 5 dental hazard. I detect traces of caramel and cheesecake? Oh no, they can smell me. Surrender now, or at least rinse. I can't feel my tongue. We have reason to believe you've been indulging in too many cosmic sweets. And we can't let you pass without a proper inspection. Hey, I lost my molar way back when I was just a little baby cheesecake mouse. I think you owe me some money with interest. I just called it in. Yep, we owe them some money. Here you go, with interest. What? Another. What does a dentist call an x-ray? Toothpicks! What's a dentist's favorite dinosaur? A Velociraptor. Which teeth do you need to brush? The ones you want to keep.
Wah, wah, wah.
Look, I got one. I got him too. Here, have a toothbrush on us and keep up your flossing. I'm rich. I'm rich. Whoa, Chessey, that's a lot of loot. Treasure awaits. Greetings, travelers. I am Zorlex, the gatekeeper assigned to this region. To pass, you must first answer my riddle. The 3 clues to solve the riddle are not in this place. Each one leads to the next. This ought to be fun. Hit us with it, Zorblex. Your first clue lies at Crystal Falls, beyond the Sleeping Mountains. Careful not to wake them up. Talk about a glow-up. This place is straight out of a disco dream. Zorblex said the next clue would be here. But where?
To find what you see, step into the spray. The secret lies where rainbows play.
Step into the spray? Oh, sugar, this better not mess up my makeup. I think we have to trust it. You go first. Hey, not a drop on me. I'm dry as a bone on Thanksgiving. Okay. All right. Ah! What in the glittery heck are these little jumpers? They're like disco balls with legs. But maybe they're part of the puzzle. Look, the pedestal. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, and yet I drown. What am I? Think. Think hard, Gennie. Something that grows, needs air, and can't drown. Oh! Fire! Oh! Ooh. A golden compass? That's fab and all, but I'm about to turn into a loony pinwheel here, honey. What? Hey! Let's follow it and see where it leads. I'm just super curious now, purple treasure or not. I'm one step ahead of you. Let's skedaddle before we get turned into amphibian backup. Whoa! It's spinning faster. The compass is freaking out. Maybe we're close to the next clue? Oh, honey, this place is a whole vibe. Look like someone's bedazzled a mountain. I love that. It's spinning faster. The compass is freaking out. Maybe we're close to the next clue? What? Sparkling. What in the hogwash is that? Is this place booby-trapped with disco balls? I can't seem to think of anything but disco balls. It's an alien planet. Duh. Of course it's weird to us. Let's try to make it through though.